It's another great time to work in the garage on my project Long Haul. It's a 69 Camaro with the 406, and today I'm going to be dropping the distributor into the new manifold. I've already set the engine to top dead center on the compression stroke for number one, and I've got my HEI base ready to go in here, and we'll see how lucky I am at getting the gears to line up along with the pump. That's what I meant, the pump. Looks like right there we are not going in. Now I learned a trick recently from YouTube. The guy, My Vintage Iron, says once you get it in and pointing towards number one cylinder, just go ahead and start rotating the engine. Well, if my next idea fails, that's what I'll try next. This is an old distributor that I have used for priming purposes. I have it marked so that I can see where the position of the oil pump is. I'll get that lined up like that, take it out, see what happens. Pop. Went right in. So, two ways. Which one's better? I don't know. Whatever you choose or whatever you have available.